Hello, today we will find x from this equation. The left-hand side looks very simple, but the right-hand side contains nested roots and doesn't allow to solve the problem in a simple way. How will we proceed? We observe that these two terms look very similar. Here is plus, here minus. All other expressions inside are the same. So we put them together and we will use the equation of algebra, which we all know. A is 3, B is what is here. So we can write this term. We distribute minus and get the following. Then we put what we found here. And the right-hand side becomes more simple. We did a great job. Next, we repeat the procedure. We put these two terms together. Again, we use this equation. A is 3, B is this. And we have this square root. We continue and get 3 minus square root of 2. This is new right-hand side of our equation. Very simple. Next step, we multiply both sides with this square root. We get the following. Again, we apply this equation. And we have square root of 7. This is final right-hand side of our equation. The rest is very simple. We take square of both sides. We divide over 21 and cancel over 7. And we get the final answer, x equal 1 over 3. The problem is solved completely. If you have another solution, please leave a comment and we will discuss it together. And finally, if you like this video, you may want to hit like icon, leave a comment, and subscribe for the channel.